Hey guys, Morgan's Maintenance. Today's video, we're going to be looking at a couple new Modbox sets. They're going to be released from Klein. They're not exactly out right now. I think you can pre-order this one here on Acme Tools. This one I've seen in a few videos. I think Tools with Tactics, Last Best Tool, Project Pine Hills. They all got their hands on this one right here. It is the 32787S. You can kind of see that part number down inside of there. Essentially, it's a bunch of different bits. You've got Phillips slotted Torx, some hex, and then that 1/4 inch adapter for sockets right here. Get a small little mini Klein ratchet, so you could put this 1/4 inch adapter in there, run your 1/4 inch sockets if you keep some of those in your bag, or you could just put a bit in here just in general for that tight clearance. And then they also give you this bit holder right here inside of this, so in case you maybe need a little bit more length to get into whatever fastener it is you're going for. Has a little thumb wheel up here. You kind of see that forward and reverse, everything you kind of look for in a small ratchet. And again, it's in one of those little bitty new Modbox bit style cases. I've talked about those a little bit, very small. Got the spring lever back here. You just put it on, pull, locks into place, and it also locks onto the bigger Modboxes, which I'll show you once we get this one out of the package. That's the smaller of the two. Again, I don't even know how much that one's going to cost. I don't know where it's going to be released at. Every time you search the number, it brings up that old Precision driver set because it has the same part number minus that S on there. Well, this one is the 33806. It is the 43-piece ProFlex impact screwdriver bit and socket set. Has some 3/8 sockets, ProFlex as far as the bits. Also has a screwdriver ratchet, some 3/8 drive sockets, then several bits down in here. Over here is the bit selection, or maybe it's got it on the back. Sometimes it usually does. Not really, not so much, but there's the back of the package as far as if you want to zoom in and read any of that. Down here it is made in Taiwan, as you can see right there. So I'm going to put this up here too. Lots of bits and sockets and stuff in here, so you can kind of pause and read all those to make sure whatever sizes you're looking for, maybe it's going to have that in there. So that's the packaging. I'm going to get it out of the package and then we'll take a closer look at it. So here it is out of the package. Again, it's a 33806 set. It's going to run you about 80 bucks. It is on like Acme Tools as a pre-order. I think I saw it on Plaid Electrical, also House of Tools or something like that. It comes in the Modbox case that is essentially the same size. Maybe you own some of these. So it is like the T-handle set case. I've got some extra stuff in there. That's not the original way that one comes. Or the 65-400. This is one of the sets I use the most with the pass-through. I kind of put it in this angle right here so that hopefully whenever I've got this open, you're not getting crazy glare. These lids are real bad for glaring while it's on the light. So in case you haven't watched any other Modbox videos, just real fast, the nice thing about these cases is that they lock in together very simply. You just take your feet right here, put it into these grooves, and then you press it down, you'll hear it snap, and that's locked into place. I love how these cases open, spring-loaded latch, so there's no like flopping it open and all that kind of stuff. You open it, and then to shut it, you just press it back down. And the nicest thing is, if I want to get to whatever's in this bottom case, I can just open this, get to this case right here without this thing having to be opened, open that up all the way, get to whatever tools I want, then go on, move to the next one. Really nice, like, kind of idea right here that Klein has came up with. Overall, they are really great cases. Now, the smaller case that I showed you with the ratchet, it doesn't have that spring lock on it. Like, none of those smaller ones do. They are actually like an open and close and lock situation, and they go on a little bit different with the spring. This spring connects on back here into this little slot. You put it in, and then as you pull that forward, you can kind of see that plastic move, and then the teeth or the feet up here will grab on and lock that into place too. So they do interlock even though they're all different sizes. That's even the same with these right here. You can have different sizes of these cases, and they still all lock together because there's different places to put the feet and different things like that. So overall, I love the cases themselves. Now again, this one coming in at 80 bucks. It is expensive. Some of these sets are really expensive, but this one has quite a bit going for it as far as if you got to deal with anything that's a fastener, it's probably covered in some form or fashion inside this set right here. So down here, you got all those bits that I showed you earlier. They are individually labeled. Like you can see Phillips 1 there on the bottom, Phillips 0, Phillips 3. So there is a spot. So if you missing one, you'll know which one you're missing. Maybe you can go back and remind yourself, hey, where did I use that square number 2 or whatever it is. And then up here, you got 3/8 sockets. Those are all labeled as well. You can see 1/4 inch, 5/16, 3/8, 7/16, 1/2 inch, 9/16, 5/8, 11/16, 3/4, and 13/16. So Pretty big range of sizes, 13/16. I don't think any of my other stuff goes up to that size. That might be a bigger size on that. And then you get everything that you're going to need to use a socket or that bit. So you have this screwdriver right here. It is an adjustable link screwdriver. That's why it says adjust on this end. You pull back the collet, slide that out. You've got your notches on here. So you can adjust that from, I think it's 9.5 to 6.5. I think there is a 3-inch change in there, so I'm gonna say 9.25 or 9 inches down to the smallest one that you can go to. Right there, we're looking at about 6 inches. So 9 to 6, that's the adjustment on that. Or you can also, take this out, put it in your impact driver, however you want to use it. It has a magnet in there as far as for holding the bits. Let me check real fast. It does magnetize your bits. You can see I picked up that panel screw right there. So it's got a strong enough magnet to be able to do that. Or you can take this out altogether. So that's how you use those 1/4-inch bits. It also comes with a 3/8 drive that you can slide down in there as well. And now I can take these sockets, slide those on there, and use this kind of like a nut driver set if I want to. So basically everything you've got in here, you can use it with this screwdriver handle, or you can also use everything you've got in here with the ratchet as well. It's a 3/8 drive ratchet. So I can take all these sockets, put it in here, 1/4-inch. I'm going to press the button to slide it on. It's locked into place. Press the button to take it off. The on and off is really easy as you press that button. Now the 1/4-inch on here is just a socket. It is not intended to be like a bit holding 1/4-inch. So if you do take a bit and put it in here, you're going to have to hold that with pressure on whatever you're using that on. If that's the case, if you need to use it in that situation or whatever else that you need to do with that, you could possibly even take this in the right situation, put that in there and use that. Everything's kind of usable with one another. Maybe if that was a 1/4-inch like bit holding socket, that might be a little bit better option to put in here. Nevertheless, in a pinch, you'd still be able to do that. So here it has that on and off lever. So you got a push button for taking your sockets on and off. You got on and off for forward and reverse. Let me put a socket on here so you can kind of hear the clicking. And then I'll swap it over to the reverse. So you probably already have some of these ratchets. They're in most of the other sets as well, but it's a pretty hefty ratchet. It's got quite a bit of weight to it. See if it's got a part number on it somewhere. I don't think it does. That way you can kind of, yeah, there you go, 65836S. So if you've got another set that's got one of those in it, you can kind of see if it's the same exact ratchet that you have in there. But overall, it's got quite a bit of things going for it. Most things that you're going to need in a set to put this as an individual set. You've got your sockets covered, you got your bits covered, you got a ratchet to use stuff at 90 degree, you've got your screwdriver to use stuff as a screwdriver, and then if you so happen to find this little set right here, you could obviously also take this out, maybe throw it in up underneath of this. Let's see if there's room for that. There is. And then now you got a little 1/4-inch drive that you could use with all these bits that actually will hold them, since this won't hold it as well. I think that's going to cover you even more. That's kind of the one spot where this is missing, is that you can't really put the bits in this. Even though you can, it's not really kind of meant to be that way. But there you go, guys. There are 2 new sets from Klein. Again, not released yet as I'm making this video. I think the pre-order date on this or the ship date on Acme Tools was like the first week in October or something. So this is probably going to be coming out pretty soon. I don't know if they're going to be at Lowe's, either one of them. And again, I haven't found anything on this little set right here, price or anything like that. So these are 2 new sets that Klein is introducing. I think that this one's more of that cover-all set for just a general, toolbox set, general house set. Whatever you want to do with that. The Modbox cases are some of my favorite ones that I've used so far. And again, I think this one's useful. The price sometimes might keep people from buying them. Maybe if they could come down just a little bit. This one I don't expect to be super expensive. I think this one would be a good deal because all these other ones were very good deals as well. So overall, that's up to you. You know whether or not it is a good fit for you and something you've been looking for. I'm just letting you know that they're coming your way. That way, if you've got some tool money that you kind of allocate and we're going to spend it today, and you knew this was coming out next week, this might be something you were waiting for, you'll say, oh, I'll hold off, and I'm going to buy that set right there. So that's the go behind this. Hope this video was helpful in some way. You guys stay safe. Have a blessed day. I'll see you on the next video.